I've spent several months using Acorns in 2025, closely tracking how it blends micro-investing, banking, and retirement accounts, all with the promise of helping users invest effortlessly using spare change. It's a fintech juggernaut for beginners, and those tight with time, but is it still smart or just simple? After putting it to the test, here's what really stood out and where it might not fit. Acorns excels at removing friction from investing. They let you connect debit or credit cards and round up transactions to the next dollar, investing that spare change for you. Over time, that adds up surprisingly fast. You can also set up recurring investments, invest for retirement through IRAs, or even open custodial accounts for kids, all within one app. Their portfolio options include both core diversified ETF mixes and ESG-focused portfolios, plus a Bitcoin-linked ETF if you want a dash of crypto exposure. Automatic rebalancing comes standard, so your investments stay on track without any manual effort. Newer features like the Mighty Oak checking account let you bank with real-time roundups, automatic saving from paycheck deposits, and high APYs up to around 4% on cash, all tied under a single app. Pricing: friendly for some, expensive for others. Acorns uses a flat monthly fee model. Bronze, $3. Silver, $6 per month, adds IRA matching and banking features. Gold, $12 per month, includes custodial accounts, life insurance, and more. This feels transparent, but can feel steep on small balances. NerdWallet's research showed that unless your account hits $14,400, Bronze actually costs more as a percentage of your balance than a 0.25% AUM-style fee, typical of other robo-advisors. Silver and gold need even larger balances to get cost-effective. Still, if you take advantage of the silver or gold IRA matches 1 to 3% in your first year, they can offset the fees, especially for regular IRA savers. What users value: for beginners or folks who struggle to save, Acorns brilliantly simplifies getting started. Users frequently note how effortless the roundup approach is, and how quickly pockets of change can grow. The app's interface feels intuitive and approachable. Education tools, daily content, and themed portfolios make financial learning feel friendly, not overwhelming. And the high-yield banking options are genuinely competitive compared to standard banks. Where it misses the mark: executive features and active traders might find Acorns limiting. There's no advanced trading, tax loss harvesting, or flexible investing for high-frequency users. Transferring ETFs out can cost around $35 per ETF, which discourages platform migration. The flat fee structure especially hurts small accounts. Unless you're using it as a habit-forming savings tool, it may feel like you're paying more than you're investing. Finally, there have been occasional user complaints about account access or customer support delays, worth noticing if responsiveness matters to you. Acorns remains one of the best micro-investing platforms for building good financial habits, easy, automated, and intuitive for new savers and casual investors who value convenience. But if you're building a larger portfolio, want investment flexibility, or plan to scale, you'll eventually find it limiting or costly relative to AUM models. Hope this helped. If you found it useful, tap like, subscribe, and share in the comments. What's your favorite way to grow your savings without thinking too hard? Let's explore it next time.